Going on, guys? I'm back with another video. I having the Veloster turbo manual. I did wrap this car like 18 months ago. Let's first take a look at the car. I wrapped this one with the Avery gunmetal matte metallic, and look at here. Still looks good, same as the day the car left the shop. And I need to remove, look at that, the paint, everything looks very fine, no any problem. Paint underneath it looks so clean, no any bond left. So we are getting ready to rewrap it with the new color, satin black rock gray, plus the satin black accent going to be gloss black. Be with me to make this baby pretty again. Film arrived. Satin black rock gray. Wow, look at my hand, it's so dirty. Avery, we're gonna wrap the Veloster with this one. To me, those are deep area, how we wrapping, because in the one piece is not possible. I did already inlay here inside. I will show you. First, find the line like this here. Cut like that. Just follow 1 mil, 2 mil over that line. And coming down all the way down to this area. Okay, and then is, can you see this line? This is my inlay. First, matching the line with the inlay like this way. Don't use the heat gun this area because you did the tension, it's possible to be short. After that, open the all. Where is my heat gun? Here. Give it to me. As soon as you do the heat gun, it's getting glass. And then go down. Okay. This bumper is very, very, very bad condition. So many rock chips, and then owner doesn't want to repaint it or change it. He just say wrap it. Okay, here no any problem. And then now again do the heat gun in this area. See, feeling sitting very relaxed. It's up to you. You can cut it right a little bit over the edge, or you can leave it like this, or you can make this inlay shorter to be looks clean, but no any problem here. Everything got wrapped, and then no one can see this line because it just follow the body line. Yeah, that's how we can do the inlay. For tucking the film under the rubber, usually I do like this. Also others do the same things. First, wrap it until the end of the rubber, and then 1 mil, 2 mil over it, just cut it. Don't cut it too short, don't cut it too long. Both of it is not right. If you cut short, well, of course gonna be short, and then OEM paint will be noticeable. If you're cutting the long, tucking in, it's gonna be headache. And then you cannot cleaning the under the rubber 100%. So if it's the long, and then you cannot tuck it in, go inside and then keep bringing the dirt out. So it's gonna make your job dirty. This much. And then in Korea we have something like this, but you can find any trimmer tools from the other companies, and then grab the rubber like this way and then put it in. So like this.
Very good. Here, Nick. Did you see how my hand helped the film to lay down? I didn't tension it this side. I did like this. That's why look at here. It's wrapping by itself. This side one actually is super easy. It's only have a bit at the back. Upper part is good. And the hip on. And then come down here. Here, good. Once I begin, all the edges are done. Keep going. Everything sits well. Now time to use the scotch. Now, cut that all down. Remove the middle and then cut. Look at that, no any glue line, no any dust. Looks so clean. Can you see? It's this way.
So I cut it like this. Let's put it back. Looks nice. So I'm getting ready to wrap the interior because the customer did request. Actually, the previous owner wrapped this one. This is not vinyl, it's kind of the fabric. But yeah, I remove it. Look at so many bone and then a lot of knife mark on it, but it's very sticky. Here I did clean, here I didn't. I used the TDM cleaner and then spray it down, waiting about the 5 to 10 minutes, and then take it to the sink, wash it with the soap. Looks clean, nothing left. That is the good tips to cleaning this type of the bond, that TDM. So we're gonna wrap it with the Carmine red to match it with those accent. We did a red color like this one and then those area. So let's go to it. When you spray and use those are bond or what they call it, premium industrial cleaner, whatever. When you use those don't let it for a long time be on the part like the body or paint. It's possible to start eating the paint. Hey, look at that. This is the, see, that is not vinyl. Is it fabric? Those are garbage stuff. So this is the center fascia. How I did, I just lay the film and then cut it in the middle, tension it to this way, and also this one same as well, and the bottom part already wrapped by itself. And you can see no any glue line, became so clean, film very relaxed, not under tension. That's how you have to do. Lost the finish, and then I got the message, the owner on the way, just 2 minutes far from the shop. I want to see his reaction. Let's see. Ding ding. Hey Richie.
Hey, you filming me? What's wrong with you?
That's what you do.
Ah, yeah.
Do you like it?
Oh my goodness. I don't like it. I love it.
Really?
I love it. Ah, the color does pop off, like you said.
I told you, trust me, this color
Wow.
gonna make you.
Oh my goodness, you did the
Yeah, carbon here.
carbon on. Oh wow. Yeah. Yeah. It is a lot. Yeah. I like this. You did the insides. Oh my goodness, yes.
All interior.
Wow. Looks like a brand new car inside, maybe. I like it. I like it. Oh, my little stripes too. Oh yeah.
Yeah, actually I didn't like your idea, but after I lay it, I like it. Looks good.
Oh my goodness. You never like my ideas.
You got very sexy. And then can you see? For example, right now the fender is really black, but when you come into the door, getting gray, and then go back again, looks black, right?
Oh yes, yeah. So because the way the light goes,
Yeah.
the top will be
Have different look with the each angle, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like it.
I I like it.
And also, you requested this time for do the glossy black at the bottom part.
Yes.
That the pillar, and then we cut it until here. So hold your roof with the glass, mixing with the spoiler, all with the gloss black. We will see the car outside. Looks much better.
Thank you. Thank
No
you,
problem.
sir. Thank you.
Thanks for coming to us. Richie gave me this LaFerrari RC car. Actually, one of my dream car. I like it. It's work, right? It's work?
Brand new.
Brand new? Are you sure?
It's in the box. Okay, it's Korea brand new.
Guys, look at the car under the sun. How it turns very nice. I love it. I really love it. Looks so good. His color match with the really nicely with those gloss black at the top and then with the red part. Let's see. Interior again. Looks very good. I changed a new badge for him, Motogang logo. So now we are end of this video. Next car gonna be SLS AMG. Please stay with us, subscribe the channel, turn on the notification so you're not gonna miss my new video. See you guys very soon. Boom.